Pizza bagels time. Bagel bites.
Boo, boo. Oh yeah, I couldn't find mini bagels, so I have regular sized bagels.
I mean, I'm sure they're still delicious.
What's up? It's Kat and Dev from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe, and today we're making something that falls into two categories of something I like. Do you know what they are?
Pizza
Yeah.
and mini things.
Yeah.
Okay. I was like bagels.
Close.
And I mean, I don't know about you, but they're like a childhood favorite.
Yes, definitely.
So good. Like, they're not good food. This recipe's fine, but the recipe, like what it's based off of, is not necessarily good. It's just nostalgic.
Yeah, it was just one of those like basic foods from your childhood. It's like right up there with Lunchables, I think.
Yeah, and pizza pockets.
Yeah.
But yeah, so if you couldn't tell already, we made bagel bites. Vegan pizza bagels. Mini bagels with pizza on them.
For all your pizza needs.
Yeah. I don't know, I was just really craving making something like one of those like classic frozen things that you get just like you loved as a kid when your parents bought them because they don't normally buy them and they're junk food. I was just craving making one of those types of things. It's a weird thing to crave, but I really wanted a pizza bagel.
I'm here for it. I don't hear any complaints, so we're all good. All right, before we get into the recipe, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future vegan recipes every Sunday and whatever Wednesdays every other Wednesday. And let's just go make these pizza bagels.
Yeah, it's a pizza party. To make your vegan pizza bites or pizza bagels, we're going to start by slicing some mini bagels in half and placing them on a baking sheet. And then we're going to put those aside and prep our toppings. So for our toppings, we're going to use 6 to 7 slices of vegan mozzarella cheese. Then we're just going to slice those so that they are really tiny little cubes like you would get on the classic frozen pizza bagel bites. Then you're going to do the same thing with some vegan salami. You're just going to dice that into really small pieces and set that aside. And then you're going to bring your bagels back over, spread them with a little bit of tomato sauce, sprinkle with your cubed cheese and cubed vegan pepperoni, then pop them in an oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. And then you're going to pop them on broil on medium for just about 1 to 2 minutes until the tops get a nice little bit melty. They're not going to melt too much because it's vegan cheese, but that's kind of a part of their charm. All right, pizza bagel time.
Yay.
So good. I think this is the easiest recipe we've ever given you because it's like hardly a recipe, but like I'm not mad about it.
Yeah, because who cares? It still will inspire people to try it, right?
Oh, so good.
I have one confession. I went off recipe and I added some chili flakes with the sauce.
Oh, snap.
Highly recommend.
Yeah, or you could just buy a spicy tomato sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just kind of buy whatever tomato sauce you kind of like the flavor of. And you could also, like, if you want to, like, spruce these up a bit, dice some, like, bell peppers for them, like some green peppers or something, or mushrooms. Oh, so good.
You know what I just thought of?
What?
You know those mini, like, fake bacon bits?
Yeah, I have those.
That would work really well, too.
Do you think we would turn these into Big Mac bagel bites? Like our Big Mac pizza, just mini form?
Yes.
Do that, people. Do that.
Yes, I love that.
I think in the comments, we need to talk about toppings. What are you going to put on your bagel bite? And also, like, I feel like it should be able to be a little cube because that's what bagel bites are.
In the comments, like we said, share your toppings for your pizza bagels, your bagel bites, your pizza toppings. Let's talk about it. And the recipe will be linked in the description box below for you to go make it. There's also a link to our podcast. It's called Camera Eats First. Comes out every Monday, everywhere that you get podcasts. We talk about veganism. We talk about how we make our recipes, how we run our blog. We do some trending news topics. It's a fun time, so go give it a listen. There's also a link to our Patreon community. Our patrons are a lovely group of people who help support the work that we do, and in exchange, we give them some bonus content. So if you're able to support us in that way, we really, really appreciate it. But if not, that's okay. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share it with somebody who might want some bagel bites in their life.
Hi.
Everyone.
Yeah, everyone. Especially those of you who didn't grow up eating bagel bites. Like, you should try these because, like, you don't know what you're missing. You know that question where they ask you, like, if you could eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Sandwiches.
Now, if I know yours is sandwiches. If I picked pizza, does, like, pizza bagels count as pizza?
I would allow it, yeah.
All right. Pizza's definitely my answer.
Okay.
All right, bye.
I'm going to go this way.
Yeah, I don't know
right.
which way you're going. I'll go this way.
Oh, okay, I'll go this way. Oh, wait, you went this.
Which way
Where
was
are
I
you?
supposed to go?